So here we are looking at the Infinix Sports Bluetooth Earphone XE07. Let's unbox to see what's inside. So we have a nice bubble wrap around the box. And then we have a plastic casing around it. Let's tear the case and read some of the description given at the back of the box. So it has a 4D surround effect, HD voice, leisure and sports, and it's Bluetooth connected. Along with that, it supports both Android and iOS. We have an instruction manual. As you can see, here's some controls written over here. Then we have our Bluetooth earphones, and we have additional 4 more silicone caps, 2 small and 2 large. And we have our USB micro charging cable. So one of the best thing of this earphone is its flat cable, so that we can have a less chance of broken cable as compared to the normal one. And we have some buttons around here, the USB charging port and the power button. As it's the sports edition, so we have a band to hold around our ears. Along with that, we have volume buttons, indicator blinking, and we have a pretty decent amount of wire, not long, not short, but just decent amount to be around our neck. I'm connecting this earphone with my Galaxy S3 Frontier to check its connectivity and range. Along with that, it's Bluetooth 4.2, means that I can connect more than one device at a time. It got paired with my gear. Now let's play a song to check its audio quality. The audio quality is quite decent, and let me just increase the volume and see how far can I go. Okay, that's cool. I can hear the music quite loud. Even the earphones are not connected to my ears but are just around my neck. I can hear the music quite well. It's also giving a good bass effect, but the treble is quite average. Let me pair it with my phone to see the multi-connectivity of connecting it with more than one device, along with testing the range. Okay, so now it's connected. Let me just open YouTube and play a song. Now the earphone is connected to both my watch and my cell phone. As soon as I played the song on my cell phone, the song playing on my gear just stopped its volume, but it's playing there. And I'm just increasing the volume to test that it's currently playing on my gear, but I couldn't hear it because I'm hearing the song from my cell phone, but both devices are connected. So I've just now paused the song on my cell phone and as I came back, I can hear the music from my gear again. Let me just play the song again on my cell phone and test the range of this earphone. I'm currently on the first floor of my house, so as soon as I reached the last step, the connection just got broke and I couldn't hear anything. But as soon as I just stepped back towards the cell phone, the connection just got paired and I can hear the music again. So it's hardly 10 meter. The previous part of this video was shot yesterday, and after a day of full usage, I'm able to give you my opinion based upon my experience. So first of all, this is how they will look around your neck, and you can tilt them and these will look like this. So I ran some tests which included I played PUBG Mobile, listened songs back to back and watched a movie. The term I will be using in this video would be mono and stereo, because in some cases I felt sound more of a mono rather than stereo. So I played songs, the quality was pretty good, not bad, not excellent, but just good, and the sound was more of a stereo, so it fulfilled my music playing needs. And then I played the PUBG Mobile. The sound sounded more like of a mono. When I used to fire or drop the bomb, it was more of a mono sound rather than the stereo. And I also watched the movie. The sound was good actually, and but when I fast forward or backwarded, so there was a slight delay of 1 to 2 seconds in some cases. I also made a calling test using the VoIP, WhatsApp and 2G call. While using WhatsApp, the sound quality was more of a mono when I called my first friend, but when I called my second friend, the sound quality was average, not mono, not stereo, somewhere in between. So my calling experience using the VoIP WhatsApp was not so good. I also called using the 2G, and while using the 2G, the sound was more of a stereo rather than mono. The sound was pretty clear and the other person could hear me quite well. For me, this hands-free was not able to connect my 3 devices at a single time. It worked with 2 and it worked pretty well, but it didn't work with my gear, my cell phone and my MacBook. So it just connected 2 devices at a time, not more than that. It gave me a battery timing of 6 hours as they have claimed on their website, and the range was around 10 meters as they have said on their website. They are selling what they have advertised. I got it for around 1400 rupees, so it was equivalent to 10 bucks. And for such a price, I got a 6 hours of battery life and a decent sound quality. So I think it's not a bad deal. And if you're looking for a premium sound quality, then you should go with the Jabra or any other hands-free. So I would recommend this product if you're going on a travel and you just have to listen songs or do some activities like watching a movie or stuff. I'm not much of a charging person, and if you don't like charging, then this gear is for you. So thank you for watching my video. That's all for now. See you next time.